Okay, g'day folks, welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast Workshop. Today we are just going to try a few different cameras. This is my tablet, Samsung tablet. So we'll give it a shot. It's a 10-inch so I can see a lot more and everything else there. I just don't know what it'll be like when we zoom in on things and what the clarity's going to be if I hold still there. It's not working too good, is it, for clarity? Probably has a lot to do with my light as well, I guess, but let's just go. Okay, we'll work out where this camera is on this. Let's just see if we can just stop shaking for a bit and see if that works. Just more of a test and see what it's like with the sound and all of that. You can see what's going on around the place. Is the job there, another two jobs in there, more jobs over there, a few other ones, and this little beastie here's knocked this one out of the other day. Oh, see what happens and check that filament out. Yeah, it's still blurry, it's not that great, is it? It's really hard to get something to give you some clarity. Don't look too bad from there. But, alright, give that a shot.